Hello art friends, we're going to be drawing the adorable A&W Wrootbeer bear, their spokesperson. So, going to be just laying this out nice and loose like. Okay, I think we're good. Let's get started. So you guys stay with your pencil. I'm gonna work in marker so you can see. So we're gonna start with a nice curvy line like that. What's that look like? It looks to me like a jelly bean that didn't quite come together. Then we're gonna draw a curved line coming like that. We're gonna draw a nice geometric V underneath of it for his nose and a straight line down, and then a curvy line coming across. Little happy bear. I'll put his little bear whiskers. All right, that looks pretty good. Now we're gonna draw an M above his nose like that, just like so. And we're gonna put a dot, fill that in, leaving a little bit of light. And there's his eyes. You're doing a great job. Now we're gonna do a line coming up, across, and back down. And it's gonna be kind of angular, okay? And we're gonna have a little curve for the ear here, a little circle in the middle, and we're gonna have this crazy line coming around it like that. We're gonna do the same thing over here. We're gonna have a curve for the ear, little middle, and we're gonna have like the bear texture. All right, that looks fantastic. Now for his little hat, we're gonna make a line coming up and down like that. That's the brim of his hat. And then we're gonna make another line coming out here and around like that. Then we're gonna pick back up here and make a line coming like that. And then just a curvy line here. And there's his hat. He's adorable. Then we're gonna make a line coming down for his neck, and he's got like kind of a turtley neck on. He's kind of fancy. And then let's make the straw. So the straw here, because A&W with a straw is always so much better. There's that. Then we're gonna make an ellipse. So this is like a circle that got smushed. A circle that got smushed. And then we're gonna make another line underneath of that. So, okay, and we're gonna come straight down, and then we're gonna make a curvy line that kind of matches this line, just a nice curvy line. Then we're gonna come out a little bit and make another repeated line like that. Then we're gonna have some lines coming straight up and around for the details on the root beer glass. There we go. Then we're gonna have a whatever oval with another oval, and then it's gonna have a line in here and in here because this is like orange, and then it's gonna go A and W. Okay, then over here we're gonna go bump, half circle like that, and then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna draw a little curvy line, another curvy line, and it's gonna come all the way around. And this is the bear's arm and his finger that's holding on to it. And then we'll draw a line coming around like that. And then it's gonna come in, come back out, come down, and then we're gonna draw a line here. And this bear is a big bear. He's had a lot of honey pots. All right, and that's his arm, and you don't really see his hand. And then we're gonna have another line like that. Okay, and then we're gonna put another oval here, but we're not gonna see it all. And then it's gonna say A and W. All right, let's put another line around that, make it real fancy. There we go. That looks pretty good. And maybe we put the bottom of the bear's, maybe he's got, you know, ribbed thing down there for his shirt. Man, I think this looks pretty good. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and